songwriter and guitarist. I play a genre called Afro-soul, which is a fusion of African sounds and soul music. I grew up listening to a lot of Oliver Mtukudzi, a lot of Sarah Tavares, Ari, Tracy Chapman, Bob Marley. So I've tried to sort of fuse everything and come up with a sound that is Zimbabwean, but at the same time can fit into the global market.
Burning, burning, yeah, would you ignite I am burning.
The Big Chill is an exciting event for me, particularly also because I've got an inventing background, and this just shows that where Zimbabwe is going in terms of supporting the arts and culture is actually in the right direction. I think it's the perfect platform to showcase artists, and it shows different types of genres of performances to a wider audience. So yeah, it's definitely a good step in promoting Zimbabwean music.